Hello, today I wanted to share 7 beauty products that surprised me in good ways. I have makeup and general beauty products in this video that I had to share with you because they've just been really great for me. Welcome back, welcome if this is your first time here. Let's go ahead and get into these beauty products that I can't wait to share with you. This is a primer I've talked about on my channel before, but I haven't really expressed how much it surprised me. I got it on a whim. I try out a lot of primers and concealers and foundations here on my channel. I'm 45. I'm always trying to find things that work for my skin as it ages and matures. But I also have an oily T-zone, and so keeping that in check while working with maturing skin can be a challenge. So this is the Shiseido Waso Poreless Matte Primer. I find that primers that fill in the pores don't always control shine. I find that primers that control shine don't always fill in the pores as much as we always want them to be filled in. And a lot of pore filling primers have kind of a pasty consistency that I don't really enjoy. Now you may notice that this tube looks smaller than a lot of other primers. You only need about half of what you need of most primers. A little bit goes a long way. It's also worth noting that this has a lotion type consistency and it's oil free, and it doesn't suck the hydration out of your skin. It keeps your skin hydrated while keeping it matte and shine free during the day and filling in the pores. You only need a pinch of it. It works well. Your makeup applies beautifully on top of it. I was skeptical at the size of this tube, and let me tell you, it's been worth every single penny. I was surprised at how much I ended up liking this and how much I reach for it. This has become one of my holy grail primers that I reach for all the time. I can wear this with any type of foundation, even a mattifying foundation. And I typically can't wear a mattifying primer with a mattifying foundation. And sometimes I want to wear this because it is pore filling. It's just really great. And I've been pleasantly surprised and happy with it. And so this was a product that I needed to put in this video 100%. Nars just launched these soft matte tinted lip balms that I was fully expecting to not like because I don't typically like matte lip products. I find them to be very unflattering and drying, but I tried them anyway and I've been pleasantly surprised. Now the shade that I have on today is called Touch Me, but I've also been really enjoying this more Lips But Better nude shade called Unrestricted. These do nourish the lips like a balm, but they have ingredients in them that give them this kind of soft focus, blurred matte effect that I've really been enjoying, and I've been reaching for them more than I thought I would. I have had good luck with Nars lip products in the past, but I just did not think I was going to like these whatsoever because they are matte, and typically when you're getting a little bit older you have these vertical lip lines that just don't agree with a lot of matte lip products, but I really enjoy these. I find they feel good. I am enjoying tinted lip products right now in my life, and these are no exception. If you enjoy a matte formula of anything, I think you would like these, especially because they are so nourishing, and I find that for a balm, they do last a decent amount of time. These are limited edition, so if you are wanting to check these out, I would grab these now while you can. So when I shave, I would like to have a smooth and close shave that doesn't give me razor burn or irritation, and I would love to not pay an arm and a leg for my cartridges, my refills. Some of you may remember in a monthly favorites and fails video, I had a horrible experience with a very pretty razor that I had bought from Target. It gave me razor burn and basically didn't shave my legs. I'm still unsure as to what was happening with that razor, but it was a pretty big fail. So I just went back to using my regular drugstore razor that charges an astronomical amount for refills. So several weeks ago, I was reached out to from the subscription service Billy to try out their razor. And I gotta say, I was pretty skeptical because it's $9 for the starter kit and then it's $9 for 4 refill cartridges, however often you want to receive them, which just seems kind of too good to be true. But I'm happy to say that after testing it out for several weeks, I really love this razor. They asked if I wanted to partner with them on a video, and I said absolutely. I love the product, so this portion of the video is in partnership with Billy. I am very excited that they reached out to me because I don't think I ever would have tried it otherwise. And the reason why I think that this razor works so well is because it's got a 5-blade razor that's completely surrounded by, on all sides, a charcoal shave soap. So I did shave with this with the shave cream that's an option to get, and I shaved with this with just the razor. No soap, no nothing, just the razor. And it worked great both ways. So for $9 in your starter kit, you get your handle, you get 2 refill cartridges, and you get this really cool magnetic holder that goes on your shower wall. You do have the option of adding in other products. They have the shave cream and they have some other things as well that you can choose from. The shave cream, if you want to add that in, I do really like, and it's $8. So for $17, you get a really nice kit if you want the shave cream, but you can always, do without and do just the kit for $9. And after you make your starter kit selections, they're going to ask you how often you shave, and they'll send you your 4 cartridge refills accordingly for $9, and you always get free shipping. I think it's a great deal. I'm so surprised at how much I've been liking this. I mean, I just thought it was drugstore razors and paying an astronomical amount for cartridges forever, and I'm glad to have an option that ships straight to my door that works so well and is also economical. So I'll have the link to this as well as everything else in this video, as well as what I'm wearing, down below in the description box. If you're on mobile, hit the title below the video. If you are on desktop, look below that title and hit the words show more, and you can get to everything from this video. I love trying new foundation. I love sharing foundations that I love with you, so one had to be in this video. This one really surprised me. This is the Essence Pretty Natural Hydrating Foundation. This is not only a drugstore foundation, but it's also cruelty-free and vegan. It's got hyaluronic acid and aloe vera in it to keep the hydration going all day. And this didn't just surprise me because it looks so beautiful on the skin. It's because I don't usually do super well with radiant, dewy types of foundations because of my oily T-zone. But this one gives just a nice soft radiance that actually lasts all day and doesn't break down on me and doesn't make me greasy in the process. So I also put this in a dupes video recently, and I said it was a great dupe for the Urban Decay Hydromaniac foundation. That was another reason why it surprised me, because these both came out very recently, and to find a dupe that quickly was also pretty surprising. It applies quickly, it gives beautiful medium coverage, and it looks great with pores. It doesn't settle in fine lines either, and it wears beautifully and a long time during the day. And I think it's beautiful for any skin type and great for mature skin. If you're curious about my foundation shades, I will have that link in my description box too, so you can check that out at the end of this video. So while this isn't something you apply to yourself, it does have to do with beauty, because it has helped me with sleep so much, and I'm so surprised at how much I love it and swear by it. I had to put it in this video. So these are my Bose sleep buds that you can pry out of my cold dead hands. This is the casing that they come in, and here they are. So how do these help you sleep? How are these different from putting in regular earbuds and listening to, say, just like nature scapes or whatever on your phone, you might ask? Well, I'm going to tell you. I have some notes here, and I'm actually going to put a link down below to the Bose website because they have some great videos on there too. And they actually talk about noise masking, which is what these do, versus noise canceling and noise blocking, which is what typical earbuds and headphones do. It's not the same thing, and I'm not going to be able to do that justice, but these are noise masking, which is very important when it comes to sleep. I have very small ears, and these are small, and they are comfortable, and they sit inside your ears so that they're flat and they stay, so you can toss and turn at night if you need to. So you're not going to feel them, and they're not going to fall out. They're made specifically for sleep, and they only play content from the Bose sleep app. There's over 50 different sounds on the app that are made for, soothing, tranquility, and for noise masking. There's also a personalized alarm in here that you can set that will only wake you up. It won't wake your partner up. And there's a 90-night risk-free trial, which I think is amazing. So they did do a sleep study with these that said that all participants believed that the noise blocked the effects of snoring and urban sounds. 76% of participants found it easier to stay asleep, and 8 of 10 participants said that it improved their overall sleep quality. I am one of those people that just gets so much from these. My husband snores really loudly, and I can turn this up, not even all the way, I would say about 2/3 of the way up, and I do not wake up from him snoring. Now, if I wake up, sometimes I'll kind of hear him snoring through them, but I can go back to sleep, and that's something I could never do. And I can turn the sound up a little bit and it will just drown him out, but it's not disturbing to me. It's a peaceful sound. If you have trouble sleeping because of outside noise, or if you just need help sleeping in some way, I'll just say that these have been one of the best things that I have ever gotten for myself. Well, they were a gift from my husband that I asked for. So one of the best things that he's gotten for me. And I know several people that have these that swear by them and will never be without them. I knew I would like them, but I don't think I realized how much I would like them. They have surprised me so much. We have construction going on in the front of our house and not bothered whatsoever. This is a fragrance that caught me by surprise. I know I talk about fragrances periodically here on my channel. If you want to see a spring fragrance video from me, let me know. I was planning on doing one soon, but I know sometimes those videos don't get tons of views, but I enjoy doing them. So this is the Kayali Musk 12 fragrance from Huda Beauty. I don't know what made me get this. I feel like that's not reflecting in the camera very well, but the bottle is really beautiful. I kind of wish I had gotten a bigger size of this because I've been enjoying it so much. I feel like sometimes people think musk is very heavy. This is a clean, light musk. It's got a touch of vanilla. It's very fresh, very feminine, kind of creamy. I don't know. I would describe it as a sheep musk. So it says here the top notes are freesia and lotus, the middle notes are musk and jasmine, and the base notes are vanilla and sandalwood. I have just really been enjoying this a lot, and I feel like it's great for spring. There are several sizes of this, and I even saw one that was a double-ended roller ball with, I think it was the vanilla on the other end. She has several fragrances to choose from. I just chose this because I don't know, I was just in the mood for a musk, and I've really been surprised at how much I've been enjoying this. I thought it was going to be a little heavier and more suited to winter, but I've just really been pleasantly surprised at how fresh and feminine this musk is, and I've just really been enjoying wearing it. I mean, I haven't even had it that long and I've already used quite a little bit of it. So if you're looking for a musk for spring, I think this would be one that you would really enjoy. I know I have. This is a skincare product that I've raved about a couple of times now recently because I just discovered it recently and it surprised me so much because of how it transformed my skin. This is the Drunk Elephant F-Balm Electrolyte Water Facial. I know it is not inexpensive, but I've never found another product due to my skin what this did. So I do have oily combination skin, but I have been suffering from a lot of surface dehydration with it being cold and with me being on prescription tretinoin. Sometimes I just get some dryness around my mouth that I swear I can just peel off with a finger. You know what I'm talking about? It just drives me crazy, especially when I go to apply my makeup. This is a product that all skin types can use. Now they call this a mask. So, you know, you're supposed to apply 4 to 5 pumps, I think they say, as the last step of your nighttime routine, but I don't use it that way. I mix a couple of pumps in with my moisturizer. That's how I most commonly use it, and I find that that does the trick for me as far as completely resolving that surface dehydration. I can do that a couple nights a week, sometimes 3, and it just does it for me. So this has a 4 electrolyte blend in it, coconut water, sodium PCA, magnesium PCA, and prickly pear extract. The electrolytes are vital to help maintain hydration levels, support barrier strength and lipid content, calm redness, and prevent against environmental dehydration. It's got vitamin F, and those are the soothing fatty acids that play a vital role in maintaining hydration levels and improving skin texture and suppleness while reducing visible irritation and supporting the acid mantle strength of the skin. It's got niacinamide, which is vitamin B3, which helps visibly improve signs of aging, fine lines, wrinkles, and helps minimize the look of the pores and helps with the loss of the firmness and uneven tone and texture. So it just has a lot of things in it. And I've heard that there are some other products that are kind of like this, but they don't do quite all of those things, or the texture is a little bit different. And honestly, I have just never tried anything like this. And this actually sat on my shelf for a long time because I just didn't think it was going to do that much, and I've been shocked at how well it works for me and how it doesn't make my skin greasy in the process. I mean, I do use this at night, but even sometimes when you do things like this at night, it can kind of carry over to the next day. You know, it can get a little greasy or whatnot. This doesn't do that. It just really plumps me up with hydration, and my skin looks really nice the next day. I love this stuff. I will probably keep using it into the summer. In those warmer months, I've just been stunned at how much of a vital product this has become for me, what an essential product this has become for me. And I had to share it. with you. If you want to check out some of the best and worst new makeup releases, as well as some makeup products that are fantastic under $10, I'll have those two videos linked here on the screen for you. What are some great beauty surprises that you've found lately? Leave those in the comments for me down below. I hope you found this video helpful. If you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button, become part of the family, and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!